Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Ashok Gurav. My number is 20098880740. My project name is Demo Model of Beam Engine and Mechanism Its Case Study. My project teammate is Kamble Mayur, Durga Hari Prasad and Siddharth Wagmare. Project of guidance is Professor Roshan Rathod.
Content: Project Abstract, Introduction, Machining Operation, Picture of Beam Engine, Machine, Conclusion. Project Abstract. The motor power cutter has a very simple mechanism operated with motor by electrical current with circular discs. Wheel rotary motion is converted into to and forwarded motion of the cutting tool. The aim of this paper is to cut material like wood, plastic, etc. with less effort and quickly. That is by connecting a rotary cutter to the disc which produce electric EMF and force are transmitted and get the work done. The size and shape of the power cutter setup is similar to the grinding cutter. It can be used in the place where electricity is available. Introduction. Cast iron is an alloy of iron and carbon and is popular because of its low cost and ability to make complex structure. The carbon content in cast iron is 3% to 4.5%. By weight, silicon and small amounts of magnesium, sulfur and phosphorus are also present in it. The product of cast iron exhibit reasonable resistance against corrosion. Machining operators. Cutting. The raw material has to be cut to size. This is done with a variety of tools. Welding. Welding is the main focus of steel fabrication. The form and machine parts will be assembled and take weld into place, then are checked for accuracy. Picture of machine. Beam engine model. Machine. A simple machine is a mechanical device that changes the direction of magnitude of a force. In general, they can be defined as the simplest mechanism that use mechanical advantages to multiple force, lever, wheel and axle. Conclusion. The beam is creative project. There are no particular instance of this type of machine being available in the commercial market, but the aim of this project is to show that this type of machine too is an option for woodworking industry in remote place in the process of electricity.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.